See how far off he is?
Yep.
Wow. Luca, 27 years, you haven't had an alignment on that vehicle. No wonder your tires keep wearing out. Are we going to change the tires or should we correct the alignment? Which one do you want to do?
Please correct.
Let's do the alignment. We're not going to replace the tires. He's 7 years old, huh? I've been doing this longer than you've been alive. It's hard for me to imagine that, but it's the truth. And every single time this happens, I'm always amazed that we realigned you, right? We didn't change the tires. Because changing the tires is not going to fix the problem, right? We realigned you so that the tires don't need to be changed, okay?